Hello everyone, welcome you all in my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Mohammad Sirajul Faizi, Assistant Professor, Department of Chemistry, LS College, Muzaffarpur. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about nomenclature of fuse system. How you do the nomenclature of fuse system. So first you know the fuses. What is meaning of fuses? This term is used to describe the process of joining. You see, here this benzene ring and this benzene ring combined together with two common places. So this is the fuses. Two separate ring with the maximum number of non-cumulative double bonds via two atoms and one common bond. This is the common bond and this is the two atoms. So two atom, one common bond. Now orthofuse ring are those rings that have only two common atom and one bond. Example, naphthalene. Now ortho and perifuse ring are those found in the polycyclic. This is three cyclic. With a ring that is orthofused to different side of two other rings that are themselves orthofused together. You see, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 atom involved. So 1H phenylene is considered as being composed of three benzene rings. Each is ortho perifused to the other two. You see, this is ortho, or either this one is ortho or either this one. Two positions. So polycyclic compound incorporating one heterocyclic ring or fused heterocyclic system fused to benzene are known as benzoheterocycles. Now you understand the benzoheterocycles? If any heterocycle fused with benzene, then we call it benzoheterocycles. Now further, bicyclic compound with two fused heterocyclic ring are well known. Both types can be named according to certain rules. We know that. So let us start. You know this compound? Don't know? Okay, this is the furan. Good. So benzofused compounds. So if furan is attached with the benzene, so there is a chances of, if you consider this one is A, this one is B, this one is C, and this is D, and this is E. So this A, B, C, D indicating bond. What they are indicating? Not the corner. This indicating bond. A corner we are numbering. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the number, and this is the bond indications. Clear? So polycyclic compound incorporating one heterocyclic ring or fused heterocyclic system fused to benzene are known as benzoheterocycles and is named by prefix the word benzo. Benzo is the prefix. Later in a square bracket indicating the position of fusions. Where is the fusions? From here or from here or from here or from here or from here. So benzo, later name of heterocyclic ring. Now you see, this is B ring, benzene attached with here. So benzo B-oxole. Oxole. This is a 5-member ring, oxygen for ox. You see, benzo B-azole, A-Z-O-L-E. This is indole. Benzo C pyridine. This is A, B, C. Benzo C pyridine or isoprene. So friend, hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and share it. Thanks for watching.